Alright guys, sorry I haven't been with you for a while. Been very busy. Here we are today at Scorpion. We're picking up the motors for the Magnum. I want you to check out some of the progress. Interior's done, and we're getting ready to put her back together. So let's go in and get the motors. We're picking them up, taking them back to the Marina today. Let's go. Wow, look at that. Fresh motors. Here we are with Frank, the man, Scorpion Enterprises. Frank, tell us what we did with these motors.
Hey, how's everybody going? We rebuilt a couple engines for Chip's Magnum he has. One of them was hurt pretty good, so we decided to change plans. Instead of just rebuilding, we went to brand new dark blocks and iron eagle heads, crank rods, pistons, nice little carburetor system. We were going to put sniper injection, but we ran out of time because everything's on back order. But it's a pretty nice little project here. They turned out very well. Nice little hot rod cam, peak powers at 5,000 RPM, 392 horsepower, or 480 foot-pounds of torque. Nice little run of piece.
Sounds awesome.
Nice hydraulic camshaft. Should be a easy going.
Nice reliable piece.
Nice reliable piece and make that Magnum run very well.
Sweet, here they are. All right guys, we're gonna load these up in the truck, head home back to the shop, and start loading them up into the boat, and hopefully make another video and give you a progress report. But there they are.